Yeah, Saturday. It's a whopper. The Abbey, the works. Great.
Has anyone told the Queen yet?
I don't know. No doubt some flunky will be dispatched. Grovelling old fool.
Do you think it's wise for the boys to go stalking so soon?
Anything that gets them into the fresh air is a good thing.
Well, maybe they shouldn't take their guns. I mean, if a photographer were to see them, it might send out the wrong signal.
If there is a photographer out there, he could be the first kill of the day.
I see Mr. Fyatt was buried last night. At midnight. No cameras, no fuss. Very dignified. Why do they do that? Why do they bury their bodies so soon after the death?
Islamic tradition. Something to do with the heat. Stops the body decomposing.
Yes, come in.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Robin, what can we do for you?
Ma'am, there was a meeting at the palace this morning.
Oh, funeral arrangements, yes.
The Lord Chamberlain faxed over these plans for you to consider. There is now general agreement, ma'am, that a public funeral would be more appropriate.
I see. And what form will this funeral take?
At the moment, they're suggesting, and of course, these are early days, basing it on Tay Bridge.
Tay Bridge? What? Tay Bridge is the code name for my funeral.
Indeed, ma'am. But it would be for practical reasons only. It's the only one which has been rehearsed. The only one that could be put together in time.
But I supervise those plans myself.
Indeed. And the Lord Chamberlain was at